Hello and welcome back. In my last video I talk about how to find the characteristic equation of a given square matrix. Today we are going to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a given matrix by using characteristic equation of the matrix. So by using characteristic equation of the matrix, we are going to find eigenvalues of a matrix first. Then using eigenvalues we are going to find eigenvectors of the matrix. So let's go with an example. So for example, let's talk about an example. Suppose we have given matrix A. So matrix A is, so we are taking the same example, I think 1 3 3 and -1. So here is our matrix. Okay, so first what we're going to do, so instead of 3 let me take over here 0, so that we can work with a simpler form. So we can work, don't have to work with a difficult one, we can work with a simpler one. So here is the matrix 1 3 0 -1. First we find the characteristics equation of the matrix. So characteristics equation of the matrix is, equation of the matrix A is given by the following formula, which is determinant of A minus lambda I equals to 0, which means we have to find the determinant. So we have to find the determinant 1 minus lambda 3 0 -1 minus lambda, and this determinant, the value of the determinants always have to be equal with 0. How do I find this determinant, this matrix? You can just clearly over here in this way, A minus lambda I. So here A is 1 3 0 -1 and lambda into I is basically, so if I multiply lambda with the identity matrix we get lambda 0 0 lambda. So after subtraction this matrix from this matrix we get this matrix, and here we have to find the determinant of the matrix. So after the calculation let's find the determinant. So we get 1 minus lambda into -1 minus lambda equals to 0, which means we get 1 minus lambda into 1 plus lambda equals to 0. So we get lambda equals to 1 and -1. So here is our characteristics equation, and they are the roots of this characteristics equation. So 1 and -1 are the roots of the characteristics equation. So now what we are saying over here, here is the results we're going to show, but just state the results, we don't have the proof of the results. So it says that the eigenvalue of a square matrix is the characteristic roots of the equation, roots of a characteristic equation of a matrix A. So let me write that down at first. So what is that? So here we go. First let me erase this part and let me write that down. So here basically what I am saying, basically these characteristic roots are the eigenvalues, are the all eigenvalues of the matrix A. So here, so 1 and -1 are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So roots of this characteristic equation are the eigenvalues, or the only eigenvalues of the given given matrix A. So let me first state that results, or state that what I am saying over here. Then we will talk about how to find some more. We will talk about, take some more example and how to find the eigenvalues. So let me first erase this. So here we go. I'm taking your time, I'm sorry for that, but I have to go through all this process. Yeah, because I have to upload more than 2 and 3 video, so for that we don't get too much time for editing all such thing. So here we go. So let me quickly write down the results. The eigenvalues of a given matrix A are the roots of the characteristics equation. So are the roots of the characteristics equation of A. So for last example we get the eigenvalue 1 and -1 for that matrix. So let me quickly give you another example. So for example I am taking a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's example take a 3 by 3 matrix. So here we go, 1 2 2. For example I am just taking 1 3 0 0 2 1. So here we have the matrix A. Now what about the characteristics equation of the matrix? Then the characteristics equation of A is basically what we have to do. We have to find determinant of A minus lambda into I, which is equals to 0. So how to quickly find the determinant? First, how to find this matrix A minus lambda? What we going to do not just each time write a matrix A and lambda and I. Do in this way. So what we going to have? First write down the matrix 1 2 2 3 1 0 0 2 1. Now what we going to do? We going to subtract the minus delta in the main diagonal. So in the main diagonal we have the entry 1 -1 and 1. So in main diagonal what we going to do? We just subtract minus lambda. Each time you can do in this way, minus lambda, and here so in each time just subtract minus lambda from the each diagonal entries, each principal diagonal entries. So here we get 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, also 1 minus lambda, and all other entries are basically the same. So now we going to find the determinant. We have to find this determinant. So what is that? So let's find this determinant over there. So here we go, we have to write 1 minus lambda. I just ask you to pause the video for a few minutes and do solve by yourself, and then again come back over here to recheck that we are all right. So here 1 minus lambda in this way. Next two we going to have, I made a mistake 0 into 0, and over here so 0 minus 3 into 1 minus lambda, and so please recheck each of my calculations. And 6, it will be 6 minus 0 into 1 minus lambda, so 0. So after that this will be equals to 0. So what we get? We get 1 minus lambda whole square, and here we get minus 6 1 minus lambda plus 6 12. We get 12 equals to 0. So 1 minus lambda whole square minus 6 minus 12 equals to 0. So this is our characteristics equation of this matrix. Now we go, what we going to do? We have to find the roots of this characteristics equation. That's maybe a difficult task. So but here we have so actually here we have a cube basically, so that's why it may give you some difficulties. So I think we are all right till now. 1 minus lambda whole cube minus 6 1 minus lambda plus 12 equals to 0. You can just go to the next steps by expressing the whole quantity 1 minus lambda whole cube. So what we going to do? So first let me erase this part and then work with that equation. So here we go. We have to take all this. So because I am arbitrarily choosing a matrix, it maybe we have a difficulties to find the characteristics roots, or the roots of the characteristics equation. So first let me just express this whole part. So we get 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into lambda square minus lambda cube minus 6 plus 6 lambda plus 12, which is equals to 0. So after that I think I made no, I do not made any mistake. So 1 cube minus 3 a square into b. So here we have a lambda, basically f square b plus 3ab square. So 3 into 1 into lambda square minus lambda cube, and in this way it's going on. So what we get minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square minus plus 3 lambda I think we get minus 6 plus 1, we get minus 5 equals to 0 over here. If I put the value lambda equals to 1, what we get? Minus 3 minus 6, and so 1 will be our root. So 1 is our one of the roots. So lambda minus 1, so do it in this way, lambda minus 1. That's good that we get some easier form. So what we going to do, lambda square, it will be lambda cube plus lambda square plus 2 lambda square. So here we have to add 2 lambda, so minus 2 lambda, and I think we have made a mistake. It's okay, minus 5 lambda. So here we have to do plus 5 lambda because we need 3 lambda plus, so plus 5 lambda. So 5 lambda minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, this is good. So lambda minus 1, and we have minus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 5 equals to 0. So this means either we get lambda equals to 1, or what we going to do, we have to solve this equation. 2 lambda plus 5 equals to 0. So what we get lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 5 equals to 0. So what we going to do, we have to use this formula. So here from there use Sidrach-Jaggi formula. So we get minus of minus 2 plus b square minus 4ac. So minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. So that's good. And by 2 into a, so 2 into 1, so we get here 2 plus minus, so here we have plus minus, so 4 plus 20 is 24 by 2, and from there if I take 2 outside, so 4 into 6, it will be 4 into 6, 24 is 4 into 6, so 2 will be outside, we get plus minus root 6, basically 2 will be cancelled out. So the roots of these characteristic equations are, so let me write that down in fresh way. So root of the characteristic equation, I think you have solved it by yourself, and do not just copy me, do it by yourself, and we can recheck each other after you come back over here. So here what we get from there, let me write that down. So we get the value, the roots of the characteristic equation is 1 plus root 6 and 1 minus root 6. Now this result says that the eigenvalues of the given matrix A, so eigenvalue of the matrix A are the characteristics equation, that are the roots of this characteristics equation. This is the very important one, are the roots of the characteristics equation of the matrix A. So because we find out that roots of this characteristic equation is 3, this 3, 1 plus root 6, 1 comma 1 plus root 6 and 1 minus root 6, thus the eigenvalue of the matrix, thus the eigenvalues of the matrix is, thus the eigenvalues of the matrix A is R, basically not is, matrix R, we have 3 eigenvalue. One is, first is 1, second is 1 plus root 6, so not so fast second, they are 3, 1 1 plus root 6, 1 minus root 6. In this way you have to find the eigenvalue of a matrix. Now we have find out the eigenvalues of a matrix from the characteristic equation. Now what we're going to do next task is to after we find out the eigenvalues, what we're going to do, we will find the eigenvectors corresponding to each eigenvalues of the matrix. So in my next video we talk about that, how to find eigenvectors of a given matrix A when the characteristics values are also called the eigenvalues of the matrix is already we have find that out. So thank you for watching. I hope basically you will come back in my next video and we talk about the eigenvectors of the matrix. So thank you for watching.